Woke up in the morning and I see you all shining next to me, girl. Oh, haven't seen you 10 years, and you know I'm sitting here, girl, thinking of you and that pretty face. You know it's been a long road, I really need to get going on home now. I'm waiting for you. I still stand a place at the table. You need to know how special you mean to me. All for you. I need you and your loving. I need you and your face. I need you and your hug. I still reserve that place. Alright.